months of platinum, $150 million in annualized premium, all of the other qualifications. This couple has been with LegalShield for well over 35 years. They've been recognized as legends in LegalShield. We're talking about Larry and Mary King out of Arkansas. Couldn't think of a better couple to recognize with this legacy program. So congratulations to Larry and Mary King, our most recent inductees into the Platinum Legacy Program.
Come visit.
The main key to this business